Hello, English. Today we'll be naming a couple of sea animals, okay?
Oh, right on.
All right, here's the first one. Ooh, that looks like a star, so I'm gonna call that a starfish.
No, this actually isn't a fish.
Yeah, no, I know, but it looks like a star. And
Right, no, I understand it looks like a star, but it's not a fish.
No, starfish is good. Starfish is good.
Okay, we'll come back to that one. How about this one?
Ooh, that's cool. That's like jelly. It was like a jellyfish.
Nope, again, just because it's a sea animal doesn't make it a
No,
fish.
I know, but I like jellyfish.
Okay, you know what? Forget sea animals, all right? Let's just move on to, let's do insects, okay? Well, what do you want to call this little guy?
It's silver, so I'm gonna call it a silverfish.
What? No, English. It doesn't even live in the water.
Silverfish. It sounds like a superhero name, silverfish. Yeah.
Okay, you know what, English? You want to do a fish? Let's do fish, okay? What do you want to name this?
Okay, don't get mad, but that straight up looks like a horse to me.